So how did I manage to mark all these tiles to go around the cabinets so that I get a precise cut? In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark your cuts when you're doing a diagonal tile install. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Like, subscribe, also ring that notification bell, and don't forget to check the description. Many useful links in the description. Thanks for watching. Tile is a 24-inch by 24-inch tile, and it's going to be set on a diagonal. Okay, so I'm cutting all these tiles in on this diagonal. These are 24 by 24-inch tiles. Now, this tile has to fit around here. So how do I mark that? So as you know, I have my template over here, right? To get the size of your template, you draw a line from corner to corner, and you from corner to corner, and then you cut your template. Imagine this is a corner here. So you cut your template exactly that size. So from corner to corner, put a line, corner to corner, put a line, and you cut that template exactly that dimension. And that's how you get your template. Now you can make a bigger one, which would be a square, so you could use it in any direction, but that becomes very cumbersome. So a strip about 8 to 10 inches wide works very well. So let me show you how to do this. So first I'm going to get a tile that I'm going to cut. I'm going to place it on this tile here, the one with the broken clip. I'm going to put it on top of that, line it up exactly with the tile under it, and you're going to mark that line with my template. Then I get that tile, and I'm going to mark that corner, you'll see in a second, with my template. Then I'm going to get that tile without turning it. I'm going to bring it over here and put it on top of this tile with this broken clip. And I'm going to use my template to mark that as well. So this tile has a chip in the corner, so I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to make sure I orient it this way. I'm going to put this directly on top of here. Exactly line it up. So it's lined up exactly. I'm going to get my template. And I push it up against here. Leave just a little bit of room on the mark end for expansion contraction, and I'm going to mark this. Then I'm going to go this side here, line it up with, so line up with that corner over there. And so now I'm going to mark this here. So actually I'm going to help myself out with the figure this out. So actually I'm just going to mark that there. And it's going to go like that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So now I have that corner over there, and I have this corner over here. Now we got to get the connecting line. So I take this tile, put it up, not turning it, and put it exactly. Now, that's lined up exactly. There's my now push it up against here. Just leave a little bit of room for expansion. Over. Same thing. Over. Now I have the lock on my tile. It's gonna fit around there, so now I'm gonna cut this. Okay, let's see if it fits. Okay, perfect fit. And that's how you mark a diagonal.